In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund customers in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, head to Sales and Get Paid. This is where you can manage customer activity, including invoices, payments, and refunds. From there, select Customers so you can pull up the profile for the person or business you want to refund. Open the customer you need to work with, then click New Transaction. In the list of transaction types, choose Credit Memo. A credit memo is important because it records the value you owe back to the customer and keeps your books accurate. On this screen, enter the products or services that are being refunded. Make sure what you enter matches the original sale as closely as possible so your reporting stays clean and easy to understand later. Then enter the refund amount. After you've reviewed the details, click Save and Close. At this point, you've created the credit, but you still need to record the actual money going back to the customer. Next, click Plus New, or if you see it in the customer profile, you can use New Transaction again. This time, select Expense or Check. The option you choose will usually depend on how you're issuing the refund. In the transaction, choose the customer who is receiving the refund. Then enter the refund amount carefully, making sure it matches the credit memo you just created. After that, select the bank account that the refund is coming from. This step matters because it tells QuickBooks exactly where the money was paid out from and helps keep your bank records aligned with your books. Once everything looks correct, save the transaction. That records the refund payment in QuickBooks. Finally, verify that both the credit memo and the refund appear in the customer's transaction history. This is a good final check to confirm everything posted properly and that the customer account reflects both the credit and the outgoing refund. If you don't see both entries, go back and review the details before moving on. Taking a moment to double-check each part of this process can help you avoid reporting errors and make future account reviews much easier. As long as the credit memo and the refund transaction match, your records should stay accurate and organized. Thanks for watching.